Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Ro. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're starting an exciting journey into the world of Unreal Engine 5. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to refresh your skills, this series is for you, so let's dive in. Unreal Engine 5 is the latest version of the popular game engine developed by Epic Games. It's packed with powerful features that can help you create stunning games, simulations, videos, and more. And the best part? It's free to use for creating and publishing your own games. In this series, we'll start from the very basics. I'll guide you through setting up Unreal Engine 5, navigating through the interface, and understanding the core concepts. We'll explore the engine's incredible tools like the new Nanite and Lumen systems, which bring a whole new level of realism to your projects. We'll also dive into Blueprints, Unreal Engine's visual scripting system, which allows you to create gameplay elements without writing a single line of code. By the end of this series, you'll have a solid foundation of Unreal Engine 5 and be well on your way to creating your own amazing games or projects. I'm super excited to embark on this journey with you all. Remember, this learning process is for all of us, so don't hesitate to ask questions, share your thoughts in the comments below, and any tutorial requests you'd like. If you want to support my channel, the Patreon is in the description below. Your support helps me create more content like this. So if you're ready to unlock the power of Unreal Engine 5, stay tuned in the next video where we will begin diving into setting up your first project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.